Alright, so you're thinking about sending or receiving money internationally, right? And maybe you've heard of Sofi. It's a popular financial app offering everything from loans to investing. But here's the burning question. Can you actually use Sofi for international wire transfers? That's what we're diving into today. Let's face it, sending money across borders can be a headache. You've got exchange rates, fees, and a whole lot of paperwork to deal with. So, naturally, you'd want to use a platform that makes it as smooth as possible. But does Sofi cut the mustard? Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why international wire transfers are even a thing. Maybe you're supporting family abroad, paying for international tuition, or perhaps you're a digital nomad trying to manage your finances across different countries. Whatever the reason, it's important to find a reliable and cost-effective way to move your money. So, back to Sofi. What's the deal? Can you send money to your loved ones in Nigeria or receive funds from your client in Australia? Well, I've done some digging, and here's the lowdown. So, there you have it. Sofi doesn't support international wire transfers. While it might be a great option for domestic transactions and other financial services, it seems it falls short when it comes to crossing borders. Now, just because Sofi isn't your go-to for international transfers doesn't mean you're out of luck. There are plenty of other options available, each with its own set of pros and cons. We might explore some of those alternatives in future videos. But for now, let's recap. Sofi is a great platform for many things, but international wire transfers isn't one of them. Understanding this can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.